Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with ways to get the most out of your real tree that you used for the holiday season. So you've enjoyed the tree, you had it decorated, now the holidays are over. What do you do with your tree? Well, many municipalities will actually collect the tree and turn it into valuable mulch that then you can go use inside your garden, but you can still utilize the tree in your own home. You could take a mason jar like this and cut a few of the branches, place a little water in there to keep that fragrance, that kind of evergreen smell in your home. It will last a good month or so, and it's still the winter season, so why not? You can cut the branches off like this here, and you can use it if you live in a colder climate to protect some of your annuals that are outside. You can actually lay that over the top of that to help protect it. If you want to keep the tree and you don't want to have it mulched up, you can place it out in the backyard and use it as a bird sanctuary. You can use things like this suet cage, and suet like this you'd put inside the cage. Put the tree in the backyard somewhere and go ahead and hang it and use it to attract birds, which is awesome. One other thing you could do if you want to have a way to remember the different trees before you take it out of the home, or maybe after you take it out, cut a little bit of the trunk off and label it the year of that particular tree, and you could use it as a future ornament on future real trees that you bring into your home. It's all about making the most of this beautiful tree. You can do it.